For people who are deaf or hard of hearing, Apple has introduced a fascinating accessibility feature called Music Haptics in iOS 18. When activated, it makes your iPhone play a variety of haptics such as taps, textures, and refined variations in correspondence with the music you are listening to. If you're fond of this feature, there is a good chance you would love to add the Music Haptics action button to the lock screen on your iPhone so that you'll be able to enable or disable it quickly. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. To get going, you have to bring up the lock screen on your iPhone by just pressing the power button. Then you have to long press on the lock screen to reveal the lock screen wallpaper gallery. Then tap on the Customize button to proceed. After that, select Lock Screen. Then you have to tap on the tiny minus button at the top of the action button you don't need, for example, flashlight. Then you have to tap on the plus button. Up next, go to the hearing section and then choose Music Haptics. And finally, make sure to tap on the Done button at the top right corner of the screen and you are all set. From now onward, you'll be able to enable or disable the Music Haptics by just long pressing its icon on your iPhone lock screen. Just like this, super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.